Grab a map for a second. It looks pretty simple, right? The green and brown stuff is land, the blue stuff is water. But here's the thing, even scientists haven't always agreed on how to label that blue stuff. Some textbooks told you there were 4 oceans, others said 5. Some cultures look at it and say, why divide it at all? It sounds like a trivia question, but the answer actually shapes our entire reality. These massive bodies of water control our weather, feed billions of us, and might be the only reason you and I are breathing right now. Understanding the planet takes time, which is why we break big questions into pieces on this channel. Today we're tackling the big blue one. How many oceans are actually on Earth, and why do they matter? Before we dive in, pun intended, take a second to hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us keep exploring these deep questions together. Now let's get into it. Before we start counting, we have to ask, what is an ocean? It's not just a really big sea. Scientifically, an ocean is a continuous body of salt water that dominates the planet. And here's the secret, they are all connected. The water you see off the coast of California eventually circulates all the way to Japan, down to Antarctica, and back up to Iceland. Because of these currents, many scientists argue Earth technically has only one global ocean. But humans like to organize things. So to make sense of the geography, we usually divide that global ocean into 5 distinct neighborhoods. Today, most organizations recognize 5 key players: the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic. Each one has its own personality and its own job. Let's meet them. First, the Pacific. Think of this as the heavyweight champion. It's the largest and deepest ocean on Earth, covering more area than all the continents combined. It's home to the Mariana Trench, a spot so deep you could hide Mount Everest inside it and still have water left over. But the Pacific isn't just big, it's intense. It's surrounded by the Ring of Fire, the most geologically active zone on the planet. Without the Pacific absorbing massive amounts of heat, our global climate would be unrecognizable. Next, we move to the Atlantic. If the Pacific is the giant, the Atlantic is the connector. It separates the Americas from Europe and Africa, but historically, it's the highway that brought civilizations together. It also runs a crucial conveyor belt of warm water, the AMOC, that keeps places like Europe from freezing over. It's the ocean most connected to human history and trade. Then there's the Indian Ocean. This is the warm engine of the world. Because it's mostly enclosed by land, it gets incredibly warm, which drives the monsoon rains that billions of people in Asia and Africa rely on for farming. It's a delicate, powerful system. Heading south, we find the newcomer, the Southern Ocean. For a long time, maps didn't even label this. It wasn't officially recognized by many distinct scientific bodies until the year 2000. Circling Antarctica, it acts like a global blender. Its powerful currents mix waters from the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Oceans, redistributing heat and nutrients around the globe. Finally, at the top of the world is the Arctic Ocean. It's the smallest and shallowest, often covered in ice. Think of the Arctic as Earth's air conditioner. That white ice reflects sunlight back into space, keeping the planet cool. But as we know, this guardian is fragile, and it's warming faster than anywhere else. So is it one ocean? Is it 5? The answer is yes. It's one massive system with 5 distinct regions. But why should we care? It's not just about nice views, it's about survival. Take a deep breath. Now take another. You can thank the ocean for that second breath. While we love our forests, microscopic ocean plants called phytoplankton actually produce about half the oxygen on Earth. And it's not just air. The oceans are our heat shield. They absorb over 90% of the excess heat from greenhouse gases. Without them, our weather would be so extreme that life on land would be incredibly difficult. They drive the water cycle that gives us rain, and they provide food for over 3 billion people. We often look at other planets searching for life, forgetting that we live on a water world. Whether you look at it scientifically as a biological machine or spiritually as a perfect design, the truth remains. The ocean is the planet's heartbeat. It connects continents, regulates our fever, and lets us breathe. When we protect the ocean, we aren't just saving fish, we're saving ourselves. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. We've got more Earth science coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and stay curious.